Where's your sense of adventure, Richie? Times zoom just isn't enough. He's over there, and they're over here. Let's get that sunset. Protect us from the sun's evil, harmful rays. Yeah, that's what clouds look like. Yeah, perfectly normal. This sky has washboard abs. There's supposed to be a sun right there. I just don't know anymore. How's it going, Rich?
Okay.
How's it going?
It's a long fucking just got this and that's it,
Filming the sky.
I don't know how we come along with that.
I mean, look at it. It looks awesome. We got all these straight lines in the sky by planes.
That's pretty nice,
Yeah.
I like it.
Somebody's up there painting it, you know, like they're painting those straight lines with planes, and then they got these straight clouds over here that clearly aren't natural clouds.
That's weird, eh?
Yeah. Well, I can see the planes going back and forth, and they're leaving these gigantic chemtrails.
Tell me something. Give me your view on 2012.
Yeah, we're in 2012.
December 21st. What do you think's gonna happen? Do you have any opinions on that one or no?
I do, actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you got about 4 hours. Chemtrail, chemtrail, chemtrail. Chemtrail, chemtrail, chemtrail. And what they're spraying fans out into this chemtrail haze that you can see. Look at that. Perfectly normal. Nothing to see here. Chemtrailing the sunset. No, I have a new theory. My new theory is that they're just geoengineering and protecting us from the harmful sun rays. Nürburg Winery. The roof looks a lot nicer on the bottle than it does in person when you're up there.
Yeah,
Gotta find somebody to give this to. Oh, I know who I can give this to.
Fucking ridiculous. These are always fine. It's just this one. This is getting ridiculous, man. Somebody's taking this off. It's true. Somebody